Hey everybody, we got a 509 package here. Been waiting on this bad baby all week. Let's go ahead and open it up. Precision. Cue the background music. Alright, baby. Don't need that paper. Alrighty, here we go.
First item.
First item. We got the gloves.
Some gloves, huh? Nice.
Next up,
Insulate.
we got the anti-fog goggle fan, baby. Let's go.
Looking forward to trying that out this year. Worst thing ever is foggy goggles.
It's terrible. Alright. Thirdly here, we got the Pro Balaclava.
Alright, keep that
The heavyweight
all
edition
warm.
too. You know, you don't want to get a cold neck. You want to make sure you got max airflow.
Can we take this baby out of here?
Absolutely.
Alright.
Don't need that. Save the last thing here for a sec.
Yep. Yep. It's got the little breathe hole down here. All the way down to the neck. Practically. You could use this for your kid when you're feeding them. Practically a bib.
Practically is a bib. Alright.
Lightweight too.
Last but not least here, we got the big one. Got that new jacket.
Nice.
Finally came in.
Rocking some new colors this year.
Yes, baby.
Yeah, that's nice. Stretchy cuffs. Vents. Love it.
And the
It's
hood.
not that heavy.
I didn't eat my Wheaties this morning.
Alright, little zipper struggle here. There we go. Simple as that. Might as well pop it on quick.
Boys.
Is there an inner shell that you can take out of this one?
Yeah, the inner shell is completely
Nice.
removable on this one, so it's a shell and the it's
If you get too toasty, just rip that out, throw it in your tumble bag, your backpack, whatever you're using. I don't know.
woo, boys.
It's legit. Looks like it has a nice fit too. Yeah, vents on the back. Vents on the back. Nice. Love
It's
it.
on the back demo.
Yeah.
Okay, you're
Yeah. Just simple zip. Hood. Hood's removable.
fresh.
Alright, you guys want to know more about these products? Check out our gear reviews at Sledheadzzz.com for a full detailed report and our thoughts, what we think, what we like, what we don't like. We're unbiased. We paid for this stuff.
Yeah, I mean, I can't wait. I've been stoked all week waiting for this package to show up, and now I'm excited to get out in the snow whenever we get some, but
Right.
let's go. I can't wait to razzle dazzle.
Sweet.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, baby.
Yeah, right here. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, all of the above. Let's go.
That was terrible at the end.